Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how I build an easy DIY holder for my scrap wood. Today I'm showing how to build an easy DIY rack that can be used to organize scrap wood and offcuts in your workshop. This project is made from 3/4 inch plywood and consists of a base, 4 walls, 2 sides, and some optional dividers. First, cut the plywood parts to size. One 4x8 sheet is enough to create everything except the base, which I created by joining some scrap pieces with pocket holes, screws, and glue. To get started, first drill pocket holes along the front and back edges of the base. These will be used to connect the front and back walls to the edges of the base. The 2 middle walls will set on top of the base. To create a connection method for the 2 middle walls, drill pocket holes along the bottom edge of each board. Next, apply wood glue to the front wall and secure it against the base using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. Apply glue to the back wall and secure it against the back edge of the base using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. Apply glue to the edges of the front and back walls and the base. Position the first side in place, positioning the front and back wall to set flush with the edges of the side. Secure the side with 1 1/2 inch nails. Flip the assembly and repeat to attach the remaining side with glue and nails. Stand the assembly upright. Apply glue to the edges of the tallest remaining wall. Stand the wall in place and then tack it by shooting a nail through each side. Adjust the wall to stand plumb and then finish securing it with nails and screws driven down through the pocket holes and into the base. Repeat this process to attach the last remaining wall. To install the optional dividers, nail through the shortest wall and into the end of the divider. Because the spacing was too tight for my nailer to fit behind the taller wall, I opted to drive a screw at an angle through the wall and into the back of the divider. Finish by collecting offcuts and scrap wood and set them into place in your new organizer. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy woodworking projects and a full cut list for this project, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jen Largis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.